Assalamualaikum. I hope you all are fine. There is a Hadith Qudsi. Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala says, take one step towards me, I'll take 10 steps towards you. Walk to me, I'll run towards you. Okay students, can you tell me why have we learned form of the verbs? Yes, you will give the test and we will learn, we will have the review of all 4 tenses. Look at this picture. There are 4 tenses. Number 1 simple or indefinite, number 2 continuous, number 3 perfect, number 4 perfect continuous. If and each tense has 3 more tenses: present, past and future. In simple tense we use first form if the subject he and she or it singular persons, so we use s, we add s in first form, like he works, she works, it works, and I work, we work, you work, they work. I, we, you, they are plural person, so we don't add s in first form. Okay. Past tense: he worked, she worked, it worked. In past tense we use second form: I worked, we worked, you worked, they worked. And simple future: I shall work, we shall work. I and we. With I and we will use shall, and rest of the subject, with rest of the subject we will use will. I shall work, we shall work, he will work, she will work, we will work, it will work, you will work, they will work. Now continuous tense we use here fourth form plus helping verb. In continuous only helping verb will be changed, like he is working, she is working, it is working, I am working, we are working, you are working, they are working. So we use is, am, are in present continuous. Okay. Past: he was working, she was working, it was working, I was working, we were working, you were working, they were working. So in past continuous we use helping verb was and were. Now future continuous: I shall be working, we shall be working, he will be working, she will be working, we will be working, it will be working, you will be working, they will be working. In future continuous the helping verb shall be or will be. Now perfect tense, present perfect: he has worked, she has worked, it has worked, I have worked, we have worked, you have worked, they have worked. So in present perfect helping verb will be used have and has. Has is used with singular persons he, she, it, and have is used to rest of the subjects like I, we, you, they. Okay. Past perfect we use had with all subject: he had worked, she had worked, it had worked, I had worked, we had worked, you had worked, they had worked. In future perfect helping verb will be used shall, have or will have. With IV shall have, and rest of the subjects will have. I will have worked, we I shall have worked, we shall have worked, he will have worked, she will have worked, we will have worked, it will have worked, you will have worked, they will have worked. In all perfect tense, we use third form of verb. In perfect continuous tense, some work has completed and some work is continue. That's why this tense name perfect continuous. He, she, it with singular subjects we use has been, and with rest of the subject have been. He has been working, she has been working, it has been working. I have been working, we have been working, you have been working, they have been working. In past perfect, he had been working, she had been working, it had been working, I have been working. We have been working, you have been working, sorry, we had been working, you had been working, they had been working. In future perfect continuous, shall have been or will have been helping verb will be used with I and B. I shall have been working, we shall have been working, he will have been working, she will have been working, we will have been working. In it simple past, second will have been working with subject will have and future simple future will be shall and again first form. Past in continuous second form, fourth form of verb will be used in present, past, future, and helping verb will change in every tense, like and in perfect थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ फॉर्म यूज़ होगी प्रेजेंट पास्ट फ्यूचर में, और हेल्पिंग वर्ब बदलेंगे. परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस में कंटिन्यूस का आईएनजी फॉर्म फोर्थ फॉर्म यूज़ होगी वर्ब की, और हेल्पिंग वर्ब जो है वो परफेक्ट के यूज़ होंगे और बिन के एडिशन के साथ. सो स्टूडेंट्स, यू गॉट इट. ओके, मीट in next class inshallah. Copy down this table and learn it by heart.